Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to record a quick little video showing you how to change the 3 taillight slash brake lights in a first generation Honda Pilot. Aside from a bulb, here's everything you need right here. So the 2 taillights are super straightforward. You just take your Phillips head screwdriver and you take these 2 guys out. One here, one here. Okay, so by this point this should be loose. And it should be literally that easy. It just pops off. It's held in by 2 little tabs over there that do not need anything other than to be pulled out. Then to change the bulbs, all you gotta do is twist, and there you are. Then you just take the housing and you line it up so that those 2 plastic pieces go back in, which should be very easy because everything else will line up as well when you do so. Like so. Then once you have the 2 screws back in, just repeat for the other side. Now this top one's a little bit different. These 2 guys here pry out. Of course it doesn't want to focus. Those 2, this guy here and this guy here. So all you have to do, excuse me while I switch hands, is just like that. Now be careful because it's going to do what that just did and fall somewhere. I think, yep, there it is. And repeat. And that uncovers 2 screws there and there that you can take out with the same Phillips head screwdriver you used for the taillights. I recommend leaving the screws inside there, but making sure they're completely unscrewed so that you don't lose them. And then it just pops out like so. Well, it would if I loosened this the whole way. And voila. Then this piece twists off out of the housing from here, just like the taillights did in their housing. And then once you have it screwed in, you just take these plastic little covers and you pop them right back on, nice and flush. Now, just as a little aside, I do recommend if you ever find these in a junkyard, and you see these 2 pieces, take them, because it's very easy to lose them. And just like that, you should have new working brake lights and taillights. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more routine maintenance videos. Let me know if there's any tutorials you wish were out there that you could not find, and I'll see what I can do. Thanks.